If you've been struggling to make any money online and feel really overwhelmed by all the AI tools out there and want to make money using them, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use just one platform and one AI tool to make money online. When I was doing research for my last video, I accidentally discovered this underrated method how you can make your first $100 or pounds online, and expanding on what you can offer, you can make a few $1,000s online as well. And the best thing is you hardly need any money to get started. So no upfront investment, you don't need any inventory, there's no shipping involved, and you don't need any tech skills of any kind. So let's dive into the video. The platform you'll be using is Etsy, where you can get a free seller's account. This is the best platform because you don't need to drive any of your own traffic to your offer because Etsy does that for you. That means you don't need to learn about any paid advertising like Facebook ads or TikTok ads. That learning curve is absolutely gone, which means you're not wasting a ton of money on ads that might not even convert. And the method is selling digital custom photos on Etsy. And don't worry, you don't need to be a graphics designer or you don't need any expensive tools because with the help of AI, you can do this in minutes. And if you stay till the end, I will show you how you can send the item as a physical product to make even more money. Now you might be thinking digital custom photos niche is saturated, but we're niching down and offering merge custom photos. And if you look on Etsy, it's really underrated. Now you might be thinking that the custom photo niche is saturated, but we are niching down and offering merging digital custom photos. And if you look on Etsy, it's really underrated. Well, if you type in merge family photos, it comes up and you can see that there's not many listings up. And go on to this first one, you can see that they're offering this listing for £20. Everything's in pounds because I just live in the UK. And they're offering just one listing. Wow, this shop is actually just offering one listing. And you can see that they have made 697 sales in the last 11 months. So if we just pull up the calculator and see how much they've earned in the last 11 months. So let's say we minus Etsy fees and each item is making, let's say £17 profit. So 17 times it by 697, that equals to £16,439. So they've made roughly 16k in the last 11 months. I'm going to guess that they don't do the heavy lifting themselves, and you don't have to as well. So you don't have to be a graphics designer. You don't need to know any graphic tools like Photoshop, because I'm going to show you how you can do this with AI. And the AI tool that I'm going to be using and showing you is Kettle, and the link is in the description. I'm going to show you how you can do it yourselves. You sign up for a free account. You can watch through the intro video as it does give you a lot of information. Once you've done that, create a blank page like this, and I'm going to get 2 images for this example, and obviously you'll be using the images that you get from your customer. Once you've uploaded the images onto your canvas, then press Ctrl and A to create a sort of magic box around the photos, and click on the circle to get the arrows to this purple box. And then once you can see the images are in the prompt box over here. Now I'm just going to align the photos, then select the ratio and type out a prompt. I'm going to say something like, create a black and white sketch image showing this lady and the young boy from these images, and select Nano Banana Pro. Then I'll hit generate. Then I'll give this a few minutes to generate. And there you have a great picture that is merged. Well, then all you need to do is just download it and send it to your customer. As I said in the beginning of this video, that I'll show you how you can send your digital product as a physical item to your customer. What we'll do is just go to a website called Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand company, and they'll send your physical products to your customer on your behalf. They sell lots of products, but in this video I'm just going to concentrate on canvases. So you can sign up for a free account and connect your Etsy account with your Printful account. They have tutorial videos that will help you do that. And this is how you can send a physical product to your customer and charge more and earn more profits and have a competitive edge over your competition from one simple AI tool by using one selling platform. And this is a great way on how to make your first $100 or pounds online. And I hope you've liked this video. Please do hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to get more videos like this that shows you how you can make your first £100 or dollars online. And as always, wishing you good vibes and good health. And I hope to see you in the next one.